that lesson we discussed what are the nutrients we need for our healthy life. Okay. So according to the nutrients, so every nutrients we are getting from plants. So that's why plants are very important for providing food for all living beings on the earth. Okay. So what are the food materials we need? What are the nutrients we need? So that all nutrients directly or indirectly we are getting from plants. So how we are getting from plants? So what are the processes are there? So according to this, so population is going to increasing very fastly. According to increasing population, that much of food we have to produce. So land is same. There is no chance to increasing the land. Okay. So in that land, how much land we are utilizing for agricultural purpose? So that much land also same. So in existing land, how can we improve agriculture? So land is same, but we have to improve agricultural products in the same existing land. So what are the methods we have to follow to providing or to increasing food production according to existing land? So
a grain like rice, wheat, pulses, and legumes, beans. These kind of cereals and pulses are the products of agriculture. And apart from these, we can use vegetables and fruits, and these are also the part of agriculture. So we need different kind of items to make our food.
So here agricultural products means according to biology, so there are different types of food materials. So grains. So what are the grains? Grains means here which are called staple food. So which are edible to eat. For example, there is in India different types of people, so they are taking different types of staple food. So staple food means completely food which we are depending. So that is grains. So what are the grains? Rice, paddy and wheat. So two different types of grains we are getting from plants. So why these two are called staple food in our country? So depending on the atmospheric conditions and depending on the habitual activities, different types of people, so they are depending on the variety of food items. For example, if you go North India, so they are taking only chapati, which are prepared by using wheat. So in South India, so completely we are depending on the rice. So according to these different ways, so we have to improve food production.
Food includes the staple part, like rice or wheat. There is a staple food in it, and along with that, we need some pulses.
So staple means edible to eat. So different types of food materials are also edible, but completely which major part of the food material? Major. So rice. If you take chapati, so just think about the southern people. So they can take variety of food items. But completely, whenever they are taking only rice, so then only they feel very happy. Complete the meals. If you take any other food material, so it is not fulfilled. So that is called those staple food. Here, so rice, paddy and wheats are the staple food.
Bengal gram, correct gram, these gram, and we need some other kind of cereals or grains.
So along with this staple food, there is other type of food materials also we are getting from plants. What are the other pulses and cereals? So what are the cereals? What are called cereals? Cereals means here bajra, jawar. Next, maize. So these are called cereals. Next, these cereals also we are getting from plants. Next, pulses. What are pulses? Pappu. Pulses means pappu which we are using here in curries. like red gram, Bengal gram, green gram, horse gram. So these all are called pulses. So these are various types of food items. So we are eating which we depend on the plants.
Greens, vegetables. Either we need continually not vegetables tomorrow. So what they need?
Plants, food which we are getting from plants, so these all are called vegetarian. Vegetarian food items. Okay. So if we want to live healthy, we need different types of nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats. So these are the major component macronutrients. So some other micronutrients also there, vitamins, fibers, minerals. These all are micronutrients. So what are the macronutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Carbohydrates actually we are getting from plants. So the diet we are getting from plants, vegetarians. So those who are depend on only vegetables, so they are called vegetarians. But how they fulfill the proteins like substances? How they are fulfilling proteins? So by taking other food materials like meat, so that is called non-veg, fish, egg. So these are all called non-veg food materials. Okay. So how can we fulfill all food materials if you want to live healthy? Completely, directly or indirectly, we are dependent on the plants. So directly we are dependent on the plants for vegetables and cereals and pulses. So some non-veg items which we need, indirectly we are dependent on plants. For example, if we want to eat meat, for meat we are depending on the goats like animals. So goats are directly dependent on the plants. So in this way, every food material so they are getting from plants only.
Yes. So these are different items.
So these all are non-veg: chicken, fish, meat, milk, cheese. Next,
Any few of these items to make them
sausages. Next, bacon, eggs.
So all these items, the grains, let us say the grains, fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, or chicken, or mutton, eggs.
So according to grains, fruits, vegetables, and leafy vegetables. These all are vegetarians. Vegetarian means vegetarian food materials which we are getting completely from plants. Directly we are getting from plants. Next, when we want to fulfill the proteins, so we are depending on the other animals like chicken, mutton, eggs, fish. So these all items also we are getting from plants indirectly. Okay.
So we call all these items as agricultural products. The whole important agricultural products. But here, the demand for certain items will be less because certain items are used in less quantity, certain items are used in large quantity. The staple food, grains are the staple food of humans. If you see any country, grains are.
So staple food means completely depending on the food item which we are getting from plants. For example, different types of food materials we are getting from plants: vegetables, dairy, wheat, pulses like red gram, horse gram, Bengal gram. So these all are edible. But in all these food items, so one is staple food, that is paddy. Why? Completely when we are taking the food items, so they only fulfill our needs.
In some countries, wheat is the staple food. Because there is a main place of their food. Different to the wheat, they use other items. Because when you look at the other countries, you see they use the other staple food. That is where in our country also, in certain parts of our country, in India, in North India, In North India, wheat is the staple food. And it is
So grains means here just to we are discussing here to what are the grains? Wheat and paddy. So according to wheat, northern people they are depend completely on the wheat. So as I stated. So South India we are depending on the rice.
in South India, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and southern parts of India, southern parts, rice is the staple. And the major part of our life, along with rice, we will get some additional dal, oil, fish, chicken, vegetables. Only consume some fruits along with that. We will get curries, the curry vegetables like so these are all from the agricultural products. It includes leaf pulses, agriculture, farming also.
So how can we call the milk is also agricultural products. So milk also we are getting indirectly we are getting from plants. How it is called agricultural product? Milk. So why we are called milk is a agricultural product? Huh? Yes. So milk we are getting from animals like buffaloes, cows. So they are also depending on the plants. That's why directly we are getting this milk from the animals. Indirectly we are depending on the plants. That's why so milk also is a one kind of food materials we are getting plants. So,
So in this case, we are going to talk about the challenges to increase the so challenges. What is this challenge to increase
what? So these are the food materials which are called edible. So in that there is a difference between edible and staple. Staple means completely we are dependent on the food materials. So remaining are edible. So along with these different types of other food materials also we are taking. But now in this session we are going to discuss about the challenging in improving agricultural products. So we have to take challenge. How can we improve? So land is same, but population is going to increase. According to increasing population, how can we improve production? So that is now the challenging. How can we improve?
First, let us try to understand what is the meaning. What is the meaning of improving? So here, what we have to improve? Quality of the product is to improve. There are things in having.
So why it is need to improving? So what is the importance? Why we have to improve? What are the methods we have to follow to improve the food production? So these are the in this way we have to take the challenges. According to increasing population, we have to improve. So what are the methods we have to follow? So that's why. So according to this, we have to take challenges to improve. So everyone think in their own and we have to take challenge to improving agriculture products in our own way. So what is the need? So yes, it is very important need, necessary thing. Why population is going to increasing very fastly. According to increasing population, we have to improve food production. That's why we have to take challenges.
The immediate requirement of increasing the quantity of agricultural products. So I have reorganized the writing and I have been the quantity so let us see our first question. What is the meaning of it? What is the meaning? Let us get into detail. The main answer for this question is population. So therefore, the population of our country is increasing.
So why this type of question raised? So we have to take challenges to improving food production. So there is a question. So what is the importance to raising this question? Depending on the population. So population is increasing. So according to that we have to improve food production. So that's why we have to take challenges.